Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a Facebook page with Meta, complete guide step by step clearly. To create a Facebook page, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to Facebook's homepage at www.facebook.com. If you are not already logged in, enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, look for the menu icon, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the menu icon and select Pages from the drop-down list. In the Pages section, find and click on the Create New Page button. You will be directed to a new screen where you can set up your page. Begin by entering a name for your page in the Page Name field. Next, choose a category that best describes your page. As you start typing in the category field, Facebook will suggest options to help you select the right one. After selecting a category, you will have the option to provide additional details in the description field. In the description, briefly summarize what your page is about. Once finished, click on the Create Page button. Your page will now be created, but you still need to customize it. Upload a profile picture by clicking on the camera icon in the Profile Picture section. You can choose to upload an image from your device or select one from Facebook's stock images. After adding a profile picture, add a cover photo by clicking on the designated area at the top of the page. Like the profile picture, you can upload or choose a cover photo from available images. Now, fill out the About section with relevant information about your page. This might include your contact information, website link, and business hours. Make sure to save any changes you make. Next, customize your page's settings by clicking on the Settings option in the left-hand menu. Review your privacy and visibility options to ensure they align with your goals. You can also set up messaging preferences to interact with your audience. Next, consider creating your first post by clicking on the Create Post box. Share something interesting or informative to engage your audience immediately. Once your post is ready, click the Post button to share it on your new page. Finally, invite friends and contacts to like your page for initial engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.